Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to the Custom Adventures. Alright, so today I'll be comparing the all-new USB Type-C AirPods Pro Gen 2 to a fake pair of AirPods Pro Gen 2.
He looks the same.
Alright, I'll be linking everything in the description here, so if you want to check out any of these products, the links will be there. So we got two pairs of fake AirPods Pro Gen 2 right here. One obviously is the original, and one doesn't look anything like it. But I'll tell you that this box is an imposter. I wasn't sure at first too. I got it in the mail and I was like, what the heck? What are these? These are weird. Oh wait, just watch this. Check this out. Bro. So they literally had the AirPods Pro Gen 2 box inside of that other box so they wouldn't get in trouble. Let's open them up, okay? So we got the two right here. This one's got plastic wrap where the original does not. If it comes in plastic wrap, that's a dead giveaway that it's not original. Looking at the front, we can see that the image is not as pronounced. It's not, you can't see the edges as well. So that's a little different. The top, pretty much the same on the sides. Apple logo on the bottom. Dang, that is like spot on. Holy crap. Look at the back. Yeah, let's be honest here. If you get this box, you're not gonna be able to tell if it's real or fake. All right, let's open them up. Got our pull tabs right here. All right, opening the two. All right, got the clone finally open. It has a lot of glue on the bottom of it, so it literally sticks to the surface right here. Oh, the original. Oh, wow. This is the clone. All right, we got all that good stuff. Basically the same thing. Jeez, these clones are getting good these days. Okay, take out the real one. Brand new pair. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. And for the clone, oh, they wrapped it differently. All right, let's see if we got everything else in the box. We even got a braided cable and 6 ear tips, it looks like, as well as the original braided cable and 6 ear tips. Very nice. Wow, this is a very good cologne. All right, let's talk about the audio quality of the earbuds. All right, so the clones are in my ears right now. They make a little noise right as they pair up. Oh, it looks like we do have transparency mode. It's kind of not as good as the original. You can't exactly hear as well, but we're gonna try out the audio right now, the music, and see what we get here. All right, I'll wait for the bass drop, see what it sounds like on the bass drop. The touch functions kind of work, not fully. All right, now we're gonna put the real ones in our ears and see how they sound. We're gonna use the same song so we can get a better gist. All right, immediately, I'd say they're a little more clear. The touch functions are a little more responsive, and they're a little bit louder. They're a little bit louder. The AirPods Pro Gen 2 sound a little bit better, but not gonna lie, these do sound really good. And for the price, honestly, that's kind of scary. The touch functions do feel a little bit better on the AirPods Pro, obviously. They work a little bit better than the clones, but honestly, that's impressive. That's actually terrifying.
Going to react this back.
Needs to guess which one is the real and which one is the fake. Okay, so here we go. Here's one, and here's another. All right, take a look at them.
Both made in Vietnam, I think. Okay, this one is a bit more magnetic, so I would say this one for now. Let me see if there's any other visual difference. Oh my goodness, they look the same. I'm gonna, I don't know. I have no clue. I'll say this one's the real one.
Okay.
I don't know how you can tell.
Let's see, let me see.
This is the real.
That is correct, actually.
Yeah!
This is the real one, this is the fake one.
No way. Yeah, these felt a bit heavier than that one, so.
Yeah?
Heavier means better quality.
Yeah!
Don't forget to like and subscribe, Custom Adventurist. We're trying to hit 100K subs by the end of...
Facts! Right here, okay?
Oh, this is Arizona service, bro. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, this song slaps, bro.
Okay.
Alright, that sounded pretty good.
Okay, ready?
Alright, these are the fake ones.
Yeah? How
Yeah.
can you tell?
The audio seems a bit less clean in these. Like, there's some interference going on in my ears, so...
Yeah?
I don't know. I'd say those are the fake ones.
Yeah?
Am I wrong?
Guess we'll have to see. All right, let's get into the mic quality of the earbuds. First, I'm gonna start with the AirPods Pro Gen 2, and we're having them in my ears, and we'll see exactly how they sound under the microphone. So let's do this. Here we go. We can change the name right here. These are the AirPods Pro Gen 2, and this is my quality you can expect from them. AirPods Pro Gen 2, And yeah, testing, 1, 2, 3. Hopefully you can hear my voice loud and clear. This is what it's going to sound like when you're on a phone call or a video call or anything like that, or even an audio recording just like this. And yeah, testing, 1, 2, 3. These are the AirPods Pro Gen 2. Alright, so this is what the mic quality sounds like. Testing, 1, 2, 3. These are the fake AirPods Pro Gen 2. And this is the mic quality you can expect from them. Testing, Air 1, 2, 3. Fake AirPods Pro Gen 2. Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is my quality you can expect from them. And yeah, we'll see how they sound in the aftermath. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, let's talk about the battery life of the two. The AirPods Pro Gen 2 can get around 6 hours of battery life with an additional 30 hours with the case. The battery life varies from 4.5 hours to 6 hours depending on the thing which you are doing. For example, if it's in ambient mode or if it's in noise cancellation or whatever mode it's in, it will depend on how much battery it'll actually get. The clones also match this with 6 hours of battery life with an additional 30 hours with the case. I'm still yet to test these two in the battery drain test, so we'll have to see, confirm all these results. All right, let's get into the features and the connectivity of the two. Let's check it out. All right, let's now pair the two earbuds and see how the pairing process compares. So on my right, I have the fake ones, and on the left, I have the real ones. First, we're gonna start with the real AirPods Pro Gen 2 with the USB-C port. Open the case, and there they are. Connect, just like that. We're paired. We even get a little screen here. Awesome. Just like that, they're paired. Now for the clone, oh, we even get a replication of the noise. Open them up. Oh, look, we have a little distinction here. It says connect and it says not your AirPods instead of set up AirPods. So we're gonna connect here. Click the button on the back of the case. And they do use that W1 chip. That is amazing. They even have the little noises. Holy crap. That's actually insane. I wanna check inside the menu here. So go to connected. We can change the name. We also have transparency mode. We also have active mode. What does that do? Here, I'm gonna put them in my ears and I'm gonna give them a little try. See, we'll take a look here. And we have noise cancellation. On the other side, we have the touch functions. You can adjust them how you want them to be. The touch controls, answer call, mute and unmute, personalized volume. Adjust the volume of media in response to your environment. Okay, awesome. Conversation awareness. I've tried this. This is actually super cool. Low sound reduction. Okay, that's super. What in the world? This is awesome. They've upgraded everything. Spatial audio. Awesome. If you ever tried it, super awesome. Accessibility, tone volume. We got our warranty and our serial number. Awesome. Wow. And they replicate the menu as well. You can change the name. Whoa. Doesn't seem to be doing very much when it's changing it. I guess the noise cancellation actually works. That is kinda. Oh yeah. Whoa, the noise cancellation works. What in the heck? That's sick. We have all of the same functions. Oh my gosh. Personalized volume, conversation awareness. No way this works. Hello. Yeah, I don't know if this works fully, but that is so sick. Spatial audio, find my ear tip fit test. Holy crap. They don't have accessibility. Oh, they do. There it is. That is amazing. This is a freaking clone. What the heck? I'm actually blown away right now. All right, now let's talk about the design of the earbuds. Looking at the two side by side, I honestly cannot find too many differences. After looking at them under magnification, there are a few differences that I can find. On the clone, the bottom metal has a slightly different seam that isn't as clean as the original. The ear tip feels slightly more stiff and almost feels less quality. The seam on the ear sensor is slightly more pronounced than the clone. The top grill of the clones is more recessed than the original. The back grill on the clone is less smooth and catches your fingers slightly. The text underneath the earbuds on the clones is slightly more pronounced than the original. The side touchpads even work on the clones. There's a little seam on the inner side of the stem for the clones. The side indicator is slightly different than the original. There's a slightly different inner color where the ear tip covers that is darker on the clone. All right, let's talk about the case of the two. Let's find all the differences. So in reality, I was looking at these side by side and there was not very many differences at all, but these are the ones that I could actually find. So first, the clone lid has a larger seam and doesn't sit as flush as the original. The snap of the lid is also slightly different and not quite as satisfying. After that, you really have to get into the nitty gritty tiny details. And I use a super macro lens to show and to be able to even find these things. So this is what we got with that. The ridge around the clone has a bit of a lip where the original doesn't. It's just kind of smooth. On the back of the hinge, there are slightly different gaps. Like there's kind of, the edge is a little more rounded. And the original, it's super tiny detail, honestly. The design by Apple in California on the back is slightly lower and spaced out slightly wrong. So that looks a little different. It also has a little more pronounced lettering. Kind of they're just like a little darker color. The button on the back is basically the same. The color of the clones is slightly different than the original. original. The carabiner hook on the side of the clone is slightly not as flush as the original. On the bottom, there's a little seam that you can kind of see. The mesh on the bottom speakers is also slightly more recessed than the original. Also, the clones don't exactly have MagSafe like the originals. But honestly, they are so close that if you gave these to someone, they could not tell if these are real or not. There's such tiny, minuscule details that it's just hard to even tell at that point. Like, I gave my friend a pair of these clones the other day, and he's been using them for the last week, and nobody's even blinked an eye. Like, literally, not even I have. And I would sit there and I'm like, wait, you have AirPods? Oh yeah, that's right. And I like remember that he literally, they're clones. It's kind of crazy, honestly. It really blows my mind. So you could save $1 by buying these clones, but also you need to be conscious that obviously they are ripping off the original Apple AirPods Pro, and you need to be conscious of that when you're looking at these type of things. So be careful out there. But yeah, these clones are insane. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so we can continue to grow the channel. I'm working on it. It's gonna get better. Let's do this. Anyways, make sure to like, subscribe, and peace.